Bunch up, we're here to have some fucking fun tonight. It's great to be back here. The last time we were here was 6 months ago, and I swear you guys are fucking cooler than you were then. You were pretty fucking awesome then. What's good? Oh yeah, no, I got that one. I'm being fed information from the CIA, I swear. Shit, anyway, enough of me shit talking. This next song is off my debut album, which is available over there. I say over there, around the corner, if you want to pick one up. This song is about that friend, and let's be fucking honest, let's not kid ourselves. We've all got that fucking friend, right? That friend, you go on a night out, it's any possible situation, and they fuck you over. Somehow they fuck you over. And then they come around the next day and they're like, yo, bro, is that you? Shit. I don't want to be your friend. And you come around the next day and you're like, hey, are we cool? And it's like, shit, no we are not, dude. This song is for that friend of yours. It's called Nerve, and it goes like this. So back to practice next time. It's like you never knew over. You're walking contradiction. A broken record and you start your reverse. Getting started with so easy. Playing with emotions just for fun. After what is all apart now. Under the weight of what we've done. Oh, you got a lot of nerve. I got no rights in your opinion. So confidence like you deserve. Everyone is overrated. Yeah, you got a lot of nerve. Then you thought it was so easy. Playing with emotions just for fun. After what is on right now. Under the weight of what we've done. You got a lot of nerve. Beautiful, thank you so much for having us back here with the song. Independent Venue Music Week, thank you so much. This next song is going to be on their second album as well, and when we released it last March, the wonderful people at Growing had us as featured artists of the week for 3 weeks in a row, which is something we never thought would happen when we started in 2018 in our little tiny rehearsal room, practicing and writing these songs. Tonight has been our 350th show. Thank you so much for being a part of that. It means the world to us. And keep supporting independent venues throughout the year. We would love for you guys to sing along with us on this one. I'm going to show you how it goes. We got some merchandise over there if you want to pick any up. And come and hang out with us afterwards, because we would absolutely love to meet every single one of you. The song is called Playing with Fire. You guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. You've been absolutely amazing. We've been Slackrr. This goes a little something like this.